Hi, this is Jeff from Site Subscribe. We're going to talk for a minute about how to edit CSS on your website if you're using the Catalyst theme, or in some cases if you're using a Genesis framework and you're using the Genesis extender plugin from the makers of the Catalyst theme. In any case, what you would do is once you're logged into your dashboard, come down to the Catalyst menu item, hover over that, and then on the drop down click on the advanced options. If you're using the Genesis framework, it would be Genesis and then similar advanced options link. Well, let's go ahead and look at our CSS. So here's a lot of different options for the layout. You have custom layouts on the Catalyst theme. You have some other options here which are advanced stuff. Let's get to custom CSS. This is where you're going to put your CSS essentially to override your theme settings. And what I do, this part is really important. You have access to this, but so do other people. So you don't want to override anything that they've done. So you want to only add to it. So what you want to do is copy with a Control A or Command A, copy everything to the clipboard out of the CSS existing section here. Go into a text editor. I'm on a Mac. I use a program called Coda 2. You can do this in any text editor, but it's best if you have one that kind of recognizes CSS syntax and colors it for you, makes it a little nicer, and does some other things. But what we want to talk about here is just editing CSS and not overriding somebody else's CSS. So copy it into a text file somewhere. Let's say we have a font size here, font color. We want to change this to some hex color like a gray. That I happen to know that's a gray color, and we could change a size to, let's make it in ems instead of pixels. Let's make it 1.5 ems, and then we would copy that back to the clipboard, paste it back into that custom CSS field here, and save your changes. If you don't do that, then you run the risk of overriding changes someone else may have made since the last edit to this file. And you don't want to go in and do that because there's a lot of time spent tweaking things with CSS. So make sure you always add to it, save it back quickly, and don't spend a lot of time with this out here before you are able to save it back into this file, because someone else could have made a change at the same time. So that's the key to editing CSS. There are some other ways you could do it, but this is the easiest way. And that's how we're doing it with this particular website using the Catalyst theme. That's it for now, and we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.